Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem if your Wi-Fi is not working, not connecting to any of the Wi-Fi or not opening. How you can fix this in your OPPO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just swipe down like this. Click on settings and here it is additional settings. Swipe down, click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone. Here it is reset all the settings. You have to make the password like this and you can see here it is the setting. You can see it here. You have to just simply click on this. You can see this reset and your Wi-Fi problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.